Advisor. 5-2. Our official score. 3 puntos ang abante on the Budweiser. Makaway, bigay on Pablos. Slashing on the middle is a basket. 2 points. Paris. Reyes naman makakalusot doon. 2 points on Reyes. On Makaway, number 9. This time on France. Bigay on King. Go basket. Same ball pa rin tayo. It's the same ball. Last touch para sa Budweiser. Only 11 seconds on the shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot. Now on the baseline on Caldona. Looking for receiver. Tatanggapon na Espinosa pero matatapikan. Mabibitawan on a Budweiser. Espinosa. That is the same ball. Last touch tayo. Bibigayan on number 9 on Makaway. Makaway pa rin. Susubok ng dos. Barisan no good. Putback. Barisan no basket. We have a same ball. It's a same ball. Makaway on number 21. Ilalapit. No basket. Defensive rebound on Biray. Biray this time. Dalawang bantay. Bigay on Solis number 6. Slashing on the middle. It's a basket on number 6. On Makaway on jersey number 9. Strongly guarded by Solis. Biray naman. Barisan no basket. 2 points on Caldona. Diretso on Biray. No basket, but he connects a foul on number 16 on Caldona. This is your first personal foul on number 16. 2 free throws. On the first throw of Biray is a basket. This time para sa ikalawang free throw on Biray is a no basket. Split charity on the free throws. Now on Makaway, number 9 to number 21 is Espinosa. Napitawan, Libelo to Paris on number 17. Basket yan para kay number 17. This time on number 9. Bibigay yun on Pablos. Pablos fired sa 3, Paris and no basket. Mapupulot ulit on Paris. Now on Biray. Bigay naman on Solis. Muntik mabitawan but saves the ball. To Reyes. No basket. 7 minutes and 15 seconds on the time remaining. Now on Makaway. Bigay on number 21. 2. That is a 3 seconds violation. It's a 3 seconds violation. Libelo ngayon ang may tanga ng bola. To Biray on number 25. Basket yan para kay Biray. Makaway number 9. To number 21 on Makaway. Looking for receiver pero naagaw. Paris this time on number 17. No basket. It's a too strong. Pero naagaw pa rin on Biray. Bibigay naman. That is still number 16. Now on number 9. Naiwan ang Budweiser doon. Basket yan. 2 points on number 9. Now on Biray on number 25, bigay on Libelo. Using the glass, but it's a short. 14-8, our official score. 6 na puntos pa rin ang kalamangan para sa Budweiser. Now, number 9, Makaway. Bigay on Makaway, number 21. 10 seconds to shoot. Pero maagaw yon. Solis, number 6. Sasabay si Caldona, but it's a short. That is a last touch on Paris, number 17. This time on number 9, on Makaway, on number 9. Fired sa 3, but it's a no basket. Now on Biray to Reyes, number 7, Reyes. Slashing on the middle of Reyes, is a basket yon on Reyes. Talaga naman, ganado si Reyes. Now on Pablos, fired sa 3. That is a no good. Put back up Espinosa. May pumapalakpag niya marikit dyan eh. Mali-mali yan to. Si Espinosa. This time Libelo. Bigay ang number 6, 2. Paris. Tubiray naman sa ilalim. Dalawang bantay pero 2 points pa rin yan. Now on number 9. No basket. But he connects a foul on number 6 para kay Solis. This is your first personal foul on Solis. First throw is a no basket. This time for the second free throw. Basket is free charity and we have a substitution please. 18-11 our official score. Baba sa 7 puntos ang abante on Budweiser. Now on Reyes, strongly guarded by Makaway. Bigay on number 6. 8 seconds to shoot. Reyes, heavy traffic, but he connects a foul on jersey. On jersey number 09 on Makaway. This is your second personal foul para kay France. Pangalawang foul yan on France. Libelo to Reyes this time. 10 seconds to shoot. Reyes pa rin. Araro to Libelo. Bigay naman on Solis. Libre. No good. At bola mapupunta para sa C. Baylor. This time on Makaway, number 9. Bigay naman yon on Makaway, number 21. It's a long 2 points on number 21, Makaway. This time on Libelo. May tanga ng bola to Reyes. Ang tatanggap, Reyes ngayon. Strongly guarded by France. Number 9, 2. Number 6 on Solis. 10 seconds to shoot, but it's a no basket. Now number 9, 2. Iiwan yun on Caldona. Muntik pang mabitawan on Caldona. Looking for receiver. Back to Makaway, number 9, 2. Pablos naman. But it's a troubling violation. We have a substitution, please. On 18-13. 5 puntos pa rin ang abante on Budweiser. Now on Biray. Bantay si France. No good. Defensive rebound on number 9. Makaway this time. Makaway pero Libelo. Bigay naman on Ballesteros. Ballesteros. May tanga ng bola. To Biray. Biray pa rin. No basket. But it's a lane violation. It's a lane violation. Three minutes and 12 seconds. This time on Cardona. No basket. Defensive rebound by Biray to number 6 and Solis. Di diretso. Basket yan para kay Solis and number 6. Same ball tayo. It's the same ball on Budweiser, but we have a timeout para sa team ng Budweiser. Makaway on jersey number 9. Makaway ngayon.
Type SIM ka din.
Number 26 on Ballesteros, he connects a foul. This is your second personal foul on number 26. And now on the second free throw. It's a no basket. Defensive rebound para kay Reyes. On number 7. Now on number 17. Paris naman ang may tanga ng bola. Reyes on number 7. Reyes sa salaksak ng dos. It's a basket. 2 points on Reyes. Now on number 9. No good. Basket yan on Espinosa, number 14. Now on Solis. Bibigay naman on number 25. Tatlo ang bantay. Pero 2 points yan. 51-47. 4 na puntos pa rin ang abante. 2 points. (51-49). That loses the handle on France. Last touch para kay jersey number 9. 51-49 our official score. Now number 7. Bigay naman yan on Biray. Strongly guarded on Espinosa. Pero pasa, pero no good. Mapupulot pa rin on Biray. 2. Ballesteros libre. That is a no good. Put back, no good. That is a no good. Sayang na pagkakataon. No basket. Reyes naman. Now on Reyes, number 7 to number 6. Back to Reyes. Bigay naman on Biray on the side. Pero makukuha yun. Now on number 9. Basket. 2 points. Good luck tayo. 51 all. 7 minutes and 28 seconds on the time remaining. Now on Paris, number 17. Bigay naman yun on Solis on number 6 to Reyes. Loud sa three. That is a no basket. Kapikan, Ballesteros ang makakapulot. Now on Makaway, number 21. Basket yan on Makaway. Change favor tayo. Now number 17. That is offensive foul on number 17 para yan kay Paris. This is your second personal foul on Paris. We have a substitution, please. On Ballesteros, number 26, papalitan. Now number 9 on France Makaway to number 11. No basket. Tapigan. Cardona mananaig. 2 points yan on Cardona. 55-51. Apat ang abante para sa C. Baylor. No basket. Espinosa. So Makaway, now on number 9, Makaway. 2 points on Makaway, number 9. Abante sa 6 na puntos. Ang kalamangan on the C. Baylor. Reyes. But he connects a foul on number 16. He connects a foul. Mapapatawag ng ang timeout ang Budweiser. 6-0 to run yun. 6 ang nagawa ng C. Baylor. This is your third personal foul on number 16.
Dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky.
Basket 2 points. It's a basket 2 points. Now on France, ang may tanga ng bola on France, Makaway. Makaway, di diretso. 2 points yan para kay Makaway. Now number 17. No basket, put back off number 25. It's a basket, 2 points and number 25 para kay Biray. $59-55. No basket. Now on Libelo. But loses the handle. Budweiser for the basketball. Now number 17 to number 7 on Reyes. Tatanggap ulit on Paris. Strongly guarded by Costa. Solis ngayon. But he connects a foul on number 11, Pabros. It's a blocking foul on number 11. This is your third personal foul on Pabros, number 11. This is your third personal foul. Now on Reyes, bantay si France. Bibigay on Biray to Solis, number 6, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Reyes, but it's a no basket. But it's a jump ball. Bola mapupunta on si Baylor. Now number 9, Makaway, running shot, lucky bounce, it's a 2 points. 61-55. Ani mga bante. Now on Biray to number 17. Paris ngayon, didiskarte. Bigay on Libelo, 10 seconds to shoot. Reyes, heavy traffic, babalik on Libelo. 5 seconds to shoot. No basket. Nabitin lang ng kaunti. Now number 9, 2. No basket. Budweiser for the basketball. It's a Budweiser for the basketball. Now number 16. Bigay naman on Reyes on number 7. Reyes this time to Solis. It's a basket, 2 points on Solis. 4 minutes and 5 seconds on the time remaining. No basket. Number 17, Paris. Heavy traffic, bigay on Biray to Reyes to Libelo. Nagkapit pa sa itaas on Libelo. It's a 3 points on Libelo. This time on France on number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. France pa rin. Bibigay naman yan on Pablos. But it's a short, it's a elbow.
Time out.
We have a timeout para sa C. Baylor. In 3 minutes and 24 seconds, our official score is 61-59. 2 puntos ang abante on the C. Baylor. Libelo. Now on Paris. 10 seconds to shoot. Biray ang tatanggap. No basket. Pakukuha. Bari sa lane violation. Same ball pa rin tayo. Pero nabitawan on Paris number 17. 3 minutes on the time remaining. It's a 3 minutes. No basket. Number 9, 2. But it's a 3 seconds violation. It's a 3 seconds violation. Now number 16. Basket, 2 points. Lamang ngayon ng 4 na puntos ang C. Baylor. And last hits on number 9 on the C. Baylor. Now on the baseline, number 17. Bigay naman on Libelo. Libelo. Strongly guarded by Makaway on number 21 to Piray. Naging 4 ang bantay pero wala yun. So number 21, it's a basket, 2 points on number 21. 65. No basket. Now on Makaway. Makaway pa rin. To Pablos. It's a 3 points. 68-59. Siyam na puntos ang abante ng C. Baylor. 3 ang bantay. Di makaararo. Maagawan pa doon si Biray. Now on Makaway. No basket, but he connects a foul on number 16. This is your 3rd personal foul on number 16. And for the bonus free throw, but it's for the first throw is no basket. This time for the second free throw. 1 minute and 36 seconds. Basket. 10 ang abante ngayon ng C. Baylor. Libelo. Same ball pa rin tayo sa same ball. Now on Reyes, number 7, Reyes. Now number 17, 2. Number 6, Soles, slashing the middle. It's a basket, 2 points. Agi, katawan. Basket, 2 points, and number 9. "52 seconds, agi. Mga kailupot may atut-atut dyan. Kailangan kayo. Arawi kayo. 10 seconds to shoot. Solis, but it's a no good. 38 seconds. Seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket, yan, 2 points. "18 seconds. Now 15 seconds. Solis pa rin, 2 points. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. No basket. And that's the end of the third period. 73-63. 10 puntos ang abante on the sea.
Karay mong gagalawaan ko dyan, mo.
Thank you sa memory ni Vincent, pero wala pa rin siyang panama kay Mr. Rainbow 99. Ballesteros sa number 26. Now on Paris number 77. Bibigay on Biray. 10 seconds to shoot. To Ballesteros. 5 seconds to shoot.
Ha? Wala talo dyan, Lloyd.
No basket.
Maragam. Pangkila ni Nanay Bong natin lugaw yun.
This time on France on jersey number 9. Bigay naman. Paris and no good. Now number 17 on Paris. Paris this time too. Biray. Maigpit ang gwardya sa loob ng Sea Baylor. Makakaagaw pa. Now on Macalay, there is a no basket, but he connects a foul. On number 26, para yan kay Ballesteros. This is your third personal foul. Malayo-layo pa yan. Wala pang sisihan. 9 minutes and 5 seconds pa lang tayo on fourth and final quarter on the first period. For the second throw, but it's a no basket. France pa rin. It's a basket. Now, number 17, pero malakas. Magkaway. That is a no good, but he connects a foul on number 16. Fourth personal foul yan on Lebelo number 16. Now on Makaway. 2 out of 2, and we have a substitution. This is your fourth personal foul on Lebelo. Last 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Fires a three and it's a 3 points. Aba sa 12 puntos ang inahabol ng Budweiser. Now on number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Go basket. Paris this time to Reyes. Back to Paris, number 17. Reyes ang tatanggap on number 7. Bigay on Ballesteros. 10 seconds to shoot. Di pa rin makapasok sa loob ang Budweiser. Kaya sa 3 na lang. No good. Defensive rebound number 11 on Pablos. Number 11, 10 seconds to shoot. That is a short na beaten. Caldona. 5 seconds to shoot. Mahuhuli yan ang biray to Reyes. Reyes nagmamadali. Reyes, no basket. Number 26 on Ballesteros. 2 points. Baba sa 10 puntos ang abante ng C. Baylor. Last 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Matagal-tagal pa yan. 10 seconds to shoot. Pablos. Bang! It's a 3 points. Number 17 to Reyes. Bigay naman on Ballesteros. Kapitan. Bola mapupunta on the C. Baylor. We have a substitution. Number 26, Ballesteros is out. Papalitan on number 22 on Solis. Now number 9, France naman ang may tanga ng bola. Makaway pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Makakadaan. Bantay. 5 seconds to shoot. Pablos! Napakagandang tira yan para kay Pablos. 2 points on number 11, Pablos. Now on Reyes, 2. Solis naman. Hit back, no basket. Tapika na Costa ang mananaig. 2. France, bigay naman on number 21. Basket yan on number 21. Now number 25. On Biray, 2. Reyes. Pero kulang. Kawai. Bang. It's a long 2 points. We have a timeout from Budweiser. 87-68 ang division score. 19 puntos ang abante on si Baylor. Anong masasabi mo? Asan si Ariela? Gusto kong makita si Ariela eh. Lalaban ko Ariela dyan. Pero mahihuli ang Caldona. Basket 2 points yan ang Caldona. To number 17. Basket 3 points on Paris number 17.
Adwaya talo. May malaki.
Last 5 minutes 30 seconds. Now number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket yan. Nakakadaan ng si Baylor sa gitna. Now number last touch number 21 on Makaway. Now on Reyes to number 25 on Biray. Biray ngayon. Heavy traffic. That is a offensive foul. It's a offensive foul on number 25. It's a offensive foul para kay number 25. This is your second personal foul on number 25. Now number 9 on Makaway. Bigay naman yan on number 21. Using the glove for Steve Baylor. It's a 3 points again on Pablos. Talaga naman. Reyes ngayon. The next foul on number 11 on Pablos. Pang-apat na foul yan para kay Pablos. In last 4 minutes and 39 seconds, basket yan. It's a 3 points. 74-94, our official score. Puntos ang abante. On last 4 minutes and 20 seconds, 10 seconds to shoot. Okay, basket. Makukuha na ang Biray. Biray pa rin. Di diretso. Oh, basket. Pablos. Here's the shot this time. Mapupulit pa yan on Makaway. 10 seconds to shoot. Now on Espinosa. Back to Makaway, number 9. Now on number 21. 5 seconds to shoot. Basket pa yan on number 21. No basket, but he connects a foul on number 11. Guilty on the pushing foul is a foul out on number 11. 5 fouls yan para kay number 11. And we have a substitution on number 11. Kapalitan yan on Acosta. Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Basket. And we have a substitution. Sige. Kapalitan si Biray on number 23. Now number 21. Bigayan Caldona. Now number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket using the gas. Medyo team mabanglay sa bawo. Now on Libelo. Fired sa 3. No basket. Number 21 is a basket on number 21. Number 16 on Libelo. 2 points is good. Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Eight seconds to shoot. Now it's a 3 points at para kay ano yun? Basta lang.
Ariana.
16 on number 16, Libelo. Basket 2 points on number 16. Last 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Abangan nyo ang susunod na laban ng Brave Thunders at ng D Superior. 10 seconds to shoot. No basket. We have a substitution on number 14. At kung sa Thursday wala tayong game 3 na magaganap, meron tayong may pa-volleyball ang ating SK chairwoman ay sa Bulataw.
Wala nang thrill, guys.
Last 2 minutes. No good. No good. Number 16. No good. Last 1 minute and 33 seconds.
Tanggap na nila, guys.
And seconds to shoot.
Tatalaran ng konman rampa man.
5 seconds to shoot. No basket. Last 1 minute and 8 seconds. No good. Now on Solis, number 6. Last 57 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. And congratulations. Abante kayo ang unang panalo for the Highlands sa Barangay Intercolor. Best player on jersey number 9, Franz Magaway. Ikaw ang best player of